This airdrop will cost you $0 and the potential profit is between $500 to $5,000. I will explain this in the video. The network is Mind Network, a layer 1 network focused on data storage privacy. It received 2.5 million from its lead investor, Binance Labs, and it is in the Binance incubator camp, and it's also supported by a bunch of other investors. Mind Network is still in the testnet, and this is how you farm the airdrop step by step. The time to complete this airdrop is between 10 minutes to 15 minutes, depending on how fast you are. I will show you the theory and I'll also show you the practical. And at the end of this video, I will share with you a time-sensitive airdrop that is free and can land you $1,000 when you complete all the tasks in the airdrop. I'll also show you how to actually get more airdrops really quick. So for this airdrop, what do you need? One is that you need a MetaMask wallet, then your socials, Twitter, that is X, Discord, and Telegram, and of course your device. I always prefer to use my laptop. So now, what are the steps? Step 1 is on the MetaMask, create 2 wallets. Call this wallet A and B. Then go to dApp test and connect your wallet and switch to the Mind Network. Step 3 is you go to Alchemy, click on the Polygon Mumbai faucet and request test token for wallet A and wallet B. Then step 4 is go back to dApp test and register the 2 wallets. Step 5, send test fund from wallet A to wallet B and from wallet B to wallet A. Do this multiple times. Then go to Galaxy and complete the quest there and claim your NFT. 7, go to Zilly and complete the quest there. That is it. It is also important to give this video a like, because the more likes I get on a video, the more similar video I will make. So do this right now before the practical. Click the like button and also subscribe if you have not. Now let's get to the practical. So for step 1, this is my MetaMask. I have an account here and I call this one wallet A. So if I click here, you can see that I have another account here, but I want to create another one. So I'll click on add account or hardware wallet, add a new account. I'll call this wallet B. So I have created wallet A and wallet B. So the next thing I will do is to go to dApp text. All the links will be in the description. So I'm going to connect my wallet. I'll click on connect MetaMask. I want to connect wallet A and wallet B, 2 of them. So I need to switch to the right network. So I click on register and it will ask me to switch to the network. So I'm going to add the Mind Network, approve. Then I will switch to Mind Network. So this is done. I have switched to Mind Network. Then I'll go to faucet, alchemy.com/faucet, and I'll go down to Polygon Mumbai faucet. I'll click on it. So I'm going to request test fund here because I need test fund to do this. So I'll go back to my wallet. This is wallet B. I copy the wallet address, come here, paste it here, and click on send Matic. So the Matic has been sent. I'll go and switch to wallet A, copy the wallet address, come here, paste, click on send Matic. Okay, it has sent Matic to wallet A now. All right, so if I go here now, I have 0.2 Matic in my wallet A and 0.2 Matic in wallet B. So I go back to the dApp test now. I am connected to wallet B. So what I will do is to click on register now. I want to register wallet B. If I don't have the Matic sent, I will not be able to register. So I need to request for the Matic first before I register. Confirm. So wallet B is registered. I'll come back here and switch to wallet A and also register it. So yeah, the 2 wallets are now registered. So what I want to do is to copy. This is still trying to register. I'm going to copy the wallet address of wallet A. Then I'll switch to wallet B. Then I'll come to transfer here. I have copied the address of wallet A. So I want to transfer funds from wallet B to wallet A, which is this wallet. Then I'm going to send 0.02. I like to do this multiple times. So I'm going to send this. Okay, this is sent. I'll go ahead and repeat this action 2 more times. Alright, so I'll go back to my MetaMask. I am on wallet B. I'll copy that wallet address, then switch to wallet A and come and perform the same action. Paste the address of wallet B here and send some magic now from wallet A to wallet B. Alright, so now I am done with this. What I would do now is to go to the Galaxy Network and perform some tasks. I will leave the link to this as well in the description box. So the tasks are very simple. This is the first one. I'm going to perform all these tasks. First is to visit the testnet tutorial. So I've done this. Second one is to follow Mind Network on Twitter. I'm going to click on that. And I'll click on follow, and I refresh here. Click on verify, click on get role. So when you go to get a role, you click on choose your role. Anyone works. Now I'm going to choose Web3 enthusiast. So my role has been added. When I come here and refresh this, I've completed this task. The next is to join their Telegram. So I'll go ahead and complete the rest of these tasks. They are pretty simple. So when you're done with all these tasks, I'll go ahead and claim this. So I've claimed my points. Now what is left for me is just this and this a friend campaign. Now, those tests we did in the beginning where we did some transfer is what qualified us for this get NFT and 100 points. So I'm just going to switch to Polygon. For this particular one, you need to use not the test fund now, but real fund on the Polygon network for you to be able to claim this. So you have to have some money in your Polygon wallet. I have a little Polygon Matic here, so I can go ahead and claim this. Now, if you don't have Polygon, you just need to buy it from a centralized exchange and send to your wallet. So I have claimed this NFT. So this is how you complete the Galaxy Quest on Mind Network. The next one is a Zilli Quest. So it is almost the same thing because here, for example, this is follow on Twitter. We are already following on Twitter. So I can just go ahead and claim this because I've done that before. So there are up to 100 XP to claim here. So start claiming that they don't show immediately, but they end up showing as you continue. Now you of course have to register with Zilli first, but with the link in the description I will give you, you can go ahead and just do that. So you go ahead and complete all these quests, like joining on Telegram. I have done this already. All I need to do is just to click on it to claim the XP. So I'll go ahead and perform the rest of this task. Guys, you can see that it is really simple to perform both the Galaxy Quest and the Zilli Quest. So this is it, guys. This is the video. I believe the airdrop will be worth between $500 to $5,000, not at the launch or airdrop price, but at the peak price in the coming bull season. Now, two more things. The airdrop I want to tell you now is time sensitive. The protocol is currently not being talked about much. It is Alvara. I have made a video about it, and they are giving away $1.2 million in airdrop at the launch price. You can claim up to $100 worth of the airdrop, but this could easily go to $1,000 or $10,000 in the altcoin season. So make sure you also perform that airdrop. I will leave the link in the description. And finally, how do you know which airdrop is coming out and quickly perform the task really early? The way you can do that is just to follow me on Twitter. When I make an airdrop video on YouTube here, it takes up to 4 days for me to do the research, take part in the airdrop, develop the script, shoot the video, edit before it is finally published here on YouTube. But on Twitter, it is quicker. I even drop more airdrops content on Twitter because it requires less work and less time. All I need to do is just to practice and just drop the steps on Twitter. So do follow me on Twitter. It is at Jude Umeano for more faster and quicker updates and other things, one-on-one interaction with you guys. I'll leave all links in the description box below. See you in the next video.